Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make okpa using babara nuts. You guys know that this thing English name is babara nuts. So the first thing you need to do is to crack them to pieces the way I just did. Okay, so after that you need to soak it in water for 24 hours. Okay, this is for anybody that want to eat fresh okpa. This is not okpa that they will just grind like that. Okay, this one is fresh okpa. Some persons grind the dry seed, but we are not doing the dry seed today. We are doing the main one. Okay, so after soaking it for 24 hours, this is what it will look like the next morning. So this is the next morning. As you can see, it's all swollen up, and the back or the chaff, they are coming up gradually. Okay, so this is me just practically showing you. If you've not subscribed, please do it to subscribe. Okay, because I'm bringing a lot of vibes to your table. So this is the peel off after peeling it. Okay, in this particular side I was not done peeling it, or we're not done peeling it. So this is the procedure how you can peel it step by step, detailed by details tutorial. I repeat, if you want to eat a dry grinded okpa, you can also go and grind your babara nut and just apply the same method of like adding every other stuff you want to add. But if you need a fresh okpa from scratch, this is what you should do. Okay, this okpa will make everything come out so nice, tasty and lovely. Okay, so after that, this is what is going to look like after peeling everything off. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to look so white like this. You can see that everything is out already. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to make sure you wash it thoroughly, like rinse it thoroughly again, so that there will be no single chaff in here. So after rinsing it thoroughly, if you don't want to grind it immediately, you can put it in a sieve or something so you can see it right here. Okay, so right now the next thing you need to do is to blend it. If you have a very good blender, you can use, but for me I don't have a very good blender, so I'll go to where I'll have to go and blend this. So this is what I'll be adding: onions, pepper and shombo. Very important. So then you have to now grind it. So you can see that for me, since I don't have a very good blender, I have to take it to this market women and then grind it. Okay, make sure where you're grinding the place is clean, and make sure the engine and like the woman is clean as well. Okay, so you can see, make sure that whenever you're grinding it, touch it to see that it is very smooth. As you can see dropping right now, it is very smooth. You can see touching it again to make sure that everything is smooth. Okay, so when you come back to the house, the next thing you need to do is to add your crayfish, maggi, salt, oil and every other stuff that you want to add. If you want to add scent leaf, you're good to go. If you want to add anything, just go ahead and add. Okay, so yes, and then when mixing it, you have to put a water to bring to a boil, then tie it. Okay, so since we are using nylon to tie, this is what we are going to do. Some persons prefer to use leaf, so if you have leaf and you prefer it, just go ahead and use your leaf. For now I don't have leaf here, we don't have leaf here with us, so we have to use our nylon to like tie this. Okay, so this method of using funnel is a method that if there's nobody with you to help you, you can do this. Okay, and so yeah, let's move to the next scene. You can see that you have to tie it, and whenever you're tying it, make sure there is a bit space so that whenever it's getting to that boiling point, it will swell up or it go rise. I don't know the grammar I go use. Okay, make I not go bite my tongue. So yes, make sure there is space in there, and you have to shake it like this, just exactly the way I'm shaking it, before you put it into your hot water. Okay, so this is the end product of the okpa, more or anything you understand. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying this out? Do you love all this my cooking procedures I'm bringing to you? Let me know the kind of video you want me to film for you next time. And yeah, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.